going on, Facebook fam? This is Jeff Baylock with another tip on relationship spiciness 101. Last week, I pretty much did the top 5 for the fellas, and I decided let's continue with the ladies with the last 5 to kind of balance things out. Now, before I get to you ladies, one thing for these guys, I had a lot of guys telling me that the tips that I gave was too corny or women don't like that or anything, and I'm like, the hell you talking about, bruh? Like, ladies love it, you know, clean, cook, grooming yourself, etiquette, unconditional love, all these things helps when it comes to keeping your lady. For a lot of guys that said that this was too corny and women ain't gin for it, y'all a lie. I'm serious. The tips that I said will make your relationship stronger. If not, that's why you're single now. You will never keep a woman, because at the end of the day, a real good woman builds a real strong man. It's in the Bible. Your mama taught you these things. Hell, your mama raised you. You was raised by both your parents, but ain't nothing like a woman's touch, man. Tell you fellas. Now, let's move on to the ladies. Ladies, the first tip I want to give to you guys, you have to have confidence in your man. Whatever he is doing, if it's constructive, please have faith and please have confidence in him. The reason why I say that is because he maybe has some struggles, but that's why in a relationship, there's the power and there's the support. Man is the power, ladies are support. So you're behind us. We want to tag you in so you can come up and help us out, cheer us up a little bit. But if a guy is doing something constructive with his life, please support him, trust him, and believe in him. That will build his confidence, and that will give him the drive to continue. Like I said, if it's constructive. I'm telling you ladies, don't ignore the signs, because there will be a downfall in his life, and he's going to need you to tag in and help him cheer him up. And if you do that, ladies, I promise you, he will respect you more, he will love you more, and it'll probably give you closer to a ring. Pretty much. That's all the tips I have for you today. Tune in next time. Y'all stay tuned. I'm out of here. Keep it spicy, my friends. Take care.